Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyara, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get this hairstyle done. Also comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. So without no further ado, let's head to the video.
It's all a bluff. It's all a bluff. It said you never thought I was good enough, but I called you Ace your kingdom, and it's all a bluff. I've been thinking, 'cause I don't wanna waste my precious time.
So guys, this is the end of this tutorial, and I hope you have learned something from this video. So let me let my hair loose so that you guys can see the results for this hair.
Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel.
Okay, so guys, I'm really loving how it's looking. First of all, I just love how light it is, and the fact that it's just a few on my head. It's not too much on my head, and it's just cute and amazing and spacey. So this time I did thick cornrows. The total amount of cornrows I have on my head is 9. Yeah, I did 9 cornrows and a leave out at the front. So I really didn't want it to be so full because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. So that's why I did big cornrows. So if you want it to be more fuller, you can just do more cornrows. I used like I used 3.5 or 3 3/4 packs to get this hairstyle. So yeah, and another advantage that I'll keep on mentioning about these hairstyles, about these protective hairstyles, is the fact that you can actually take these braids out and wash them and reuse them. So this is an advantage. So if you get 1 pack for like 800 shillings, those are like 4 packs for 3200. This means you're going to be using this hair for more than 2 times, so it's definitely worth the money you're going to be spending. And also, as it ages, it looks even better. So this is a style you can stay with for like up to 2 months, 3 months. Yes, if it's going to go so far, let's say like 3 months or so. So I hope you loved this video. And sorry, these locks are the new locks, the Bobbi new locks, 14 inch. This is 14 inches. And yeah, that is just basically everything you needed to know about this video. I also got this hair from Natural Hair Kenya, so you can buy from them. I'm going to put their link on the description box so that you guys can purchase directly. So yeah, I think I've said enough, guys, and until our next video, bye.
I don't know what it all get it. Sipping Louis 13, I'm with a kiss it. I mean, I wish I got it, and I mean, I wish this. What's the case? What's no witness? I need another food, I got a big fish. Shawty, you need a sister.
I'm in New York, I'm a Christian, praise the Lord. More time I'm abroad if I ain't on tour. I pack like first class flight, hit the stores. Hand luggage if I could, I'll take this phone. Fly with my jewels on the everyday thing. The rose got a wrist, this is inspiration. Cash trying to take away.
I don't know I can hit a whole bed it. Sipping Louis 13, I'm with a kiss it. I mean, I wish I got it, and I mean, I wish this. What's the case? What's no witness? I need another food, I got a big fish. Shawty, you need a sister.
I'm in New York, I'm a Christian, praise the Lord. More time I'm abroad if I ain't on tour. I pack